For this example, we want to use the graph of a polynomial function to help us find the roots of the function. So we have this graph of f of x equals 6x cubed minus 19x squared plus 16x minus 4. In part A, we want to find the root of the equation 6x cubed minus 19x squared plus 16x minus 4 equals 0, that is an integer. Well, that's easy to do. If we look at a picture of the graph, we see that the graph crosses the x-axis right here between 0 and 1. It looks like it crosses it twice right there, and it also crosses it right on the integer 2. So for part A, we can say that the answer is x equals 2. For part B, we want to use synthetic division to find the other two roots. So let's start off and get synthetic division set up. We're dividing by 2, and we want to put the coefficients in descending order of our polynomial function. So first we have 6, negative 19, 16, and then negative 4. And we'll draw our line. Let's bring down the 6, and then we multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. We add negative 19 plus 12 is negative 7. Then we multiply. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. We add 16 plus negative 14 is 2. We multiply 2 times 2 is 4, and our remainder here is negative 4 plus 4, or 0. We knew that 0 would be the remainder because x equals 2 is a root to our original function. So in order to find the other two roots, let's think about our original function like this. F of x is equal to 6x cubed minus 19x squared plus 16x minus 4. It can now be written as a partially factored. We can write it as x minus 2, since 2 is one of the roots, times what we have left here after synthetic division. Remember, we were dividing 6x cubed by x minus 2. So this 6 is going to have a degree of x to the second power, because it's going to be one less power than x cubed. Will be 6x squared. Then we have minus 7 times x plus 2. So if we can finish factoring the quadratic portion of this, this will give us our other two roots. So we can write this as x minus 2 times, we'll do a little bit of guessing and checking here. Let's try 3x and 2x, and let's try 2 and 1, both with negative signs. Let's check to see if that works. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. My outside terms give me negative 3x. The inside terms give me negative 4x. That is negative 7x. And the last two terms multiply to give me 2. So we've factored it correctly. So in order to find the other two roots, we just simply set these other two factors equal to 0. We set 3x minus 2 equal to 0, and we would get x equals positive 2/3. If we set 2x minus 1 equal to 0, we'll get x is equal to positive 1/2. So based on this graph, we could see that the only integer root was x equals 2 in part A, and we found the other two roots in part B were 2/3 and 1/2.